Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the MacBook Mate by WIWU, W-I-W-U. And this is my one-stop solution to store all my Mac stuff. You can see here they have a picture of a charger, Apple Watch charger, some headphones, some wires. I don't even know what other stuff, and an Apple Pencil in there too. So let's see what we can fit in there, if we can fit as much stuff as they did. So let's check this thing out. How do we open this? There we go. So there we go. Here, this is what it looks like. It's got a little card on it talking about, I guess, how they're founded in 2008. So they've been around for a while, these guys. So this isn't some brand new store. So let's open this up. Am I going in the right direction? Yep, here we go. So we got it open. Inside of it, there is a box that is empty, I guess just to fill it up. And so this is what it looks like. So it's got a couple of straps here. It's got some bungee here. It's got a little zipper section here. On the inside the zipper section, it's like velvety. It kind of feels nice and soft. And even inside of there, there's some little bungee stuff to fit things in, little mini little pockets. So pretty cool, soft. And then it's got a handle on the outside. So let's start putting things in and see what we can do here. So I have a MacBook charger. It's got the USB-C side on it, but you see this is just for MacBook Pro 14-inch one. So that's my charger for that. So let's put that. Fits in there fine. I have the cable for it, which is my whatever USB-C to MagSafe. So let's stick that. Put that one over here on the bungee side. I have this is my case that I use for my my microphone. So I'm going to stick that over here. I have one of those little dock port things. So I'll stick that in one of these bungees over here. Stick that in this side over here. There. We got that in. Let's see, I have an Apple Pencil. There we go. That's in there. What other stuff do I have here? I have a little card case, but actually in my card case, well, I have my little SD cards, my little micro SD cards. And I have an SD card case thing. So stick that in there. Where should I put that? I'll put that in that middle section there. So that's all on there. I have a little flash drive, maybe. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a Bluetooth adapter. I don't even know what this one's for. How about that? Let's just stick that in the little zipper section. And what else do I have? I got my AirPods. So let's see. I probably put those in this other section with this other one here too. So check it out. So we fit all these different things in here, no problem at all. I could probably put some more cables and stuff in there if I wanted to, but let's close it up and see if it actually closes with everything in there. And lo and behold, it does. So there, that's all my stuff. I actually have this little keyboard that I sometimes use. I can stick that in the little front pocket right there. So how cool is that? So I could even just put all that stuff in there and it fits fine. So I'm going to say this is super cool. This is by WIWU, and it is the WIWU Macbook Mate. So pick up one of these things if you have a MacBook for sure. This is really cool. So I like it. So I'm going to be sticking this thing in my backpack with all my stuff. Probably won't be quite as thick for me because I probably won't bring this keyboard. I usually use this with a Fire Stick or something here at home. But it's nice to have. So there we go. So very cool. So I would say it's a thumbs up from me, and links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.